Hi students, in this tutorial I will explain about how to enter and edit data into a worksheet and also another one how to enter and edit formula on worksheet. Both are very similar. If you read how to enter and edit formula on worksheet and this is the answer you can write how to enter and edit data into a worksheet. This answer is suitable for this question, but this answer is not suitable for second question. Okay. In this tutorial, I will explain both of the questions. If you want to enter or edit data or formula, okay, data or formula, you must and should open a blank worksheet. Then click on Start button. Here, look here, Microsoft Excel. Click on Microsoft Office Excel 2007. It will open a blank window, blank sheet. In our previous tutorial, I already told about blank worksheet. This blank worksheet contains by default three sheets: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Here I'm renaming the sheet. Look here, sheet 1. I want to rename this sheet. Click on this, move the mouse pointer and click the mouse right button. It will show a window on that. Select rename and type your name. Type your sheet name. Edition. I gave name for this sheet edition. Okay. If you want to enter data into a worksheet, this is also called spreadsheet. Worksheet and spreadsheet both are same. If you want to enter data on worksheet, you can click on cell where you want to enter data. I want to insert data from B2 cell. Okay, look here, roll number and name, next group, next subjects. Subjects means Telugu, English, maths, and physics, computer. Computer. Here, how many subjects I gave? Roll number, name, group, Telugu marks, English marks, math marks, physics marks, and computer marks. I will align this, select this one and align middle alignment and formatting as bold. Okay, name is some bigger in size. Roll number 101, and now I am entering data. It is nothing but a data. You are entering students data. Roll number, name, group, Telugu, English, maths, physics, computer. These all are data. Okay, select the cell and you can enter the data. Now I am first of all I selected the cell B2. I entered roll number. Then after I selected C2. Okay, I entered data name, and then after D2 and E2, F2, G2, H2, I2. When you are writing an answer, you can write step by step. First, you open the MS Excel worksheet. Then after select the cell. Okay, in this worksheet we are entering student data. So first I selected B2 cell, then I entered roll number, then after selected C2, then I entered data name, then after D2, same like that. You can write answer also same like this with neat diagrams, suitable diagrams. Okay, you can write before entering data and after entering data, you can write the cell. Look here, you do not need to write a complete worksheet. Okay, you can write up to A. Look here, A, B, C, D, this row, columns and these rows. And after this sheet names also you can write on your diagram. Okay, there is no need to write this above title bar and menu bar and this ribbons, no need to write. Okay, this is a sheet. Then after I entered, look here, 102 and 103. Okay, just drag and drop 105. This is a special feature, autofill autofill format. Okay, this is a special feature. I entered only 101, 102, 103. Look here, I want to delete this one. I entered only 101, 102, 103. I selected this, okay, using the mouse. Then after look here, bottom corner, one plus point symbol will come. Okay, look here. Click this and drag down. The numbers will automatically increase. No need to enter numbers. It is nothing but auto fill format. Okay, auto fill format. Okay, names. I'm giving Akhil and Ashok, Amir, um, Sumant, Vijay, Vijay. Okay, I gave 6 members names. Then after group MPCS, MPCS, MECS, MECS, and BCom, and this one also BCom. Okay, Telugu marks 33, and up to here you can mention, okay, 75 marks, 70 up to 75. For 75 marks we are entering 75. Just we are 75 marks for each paper, 75 marks. Okay, so that's on the top of the uh, cell I entered the maximum marks for 55, 66, 67, 68, okay, 71. Same like 45, 65, 72, and 44, and 67. Okay, 32, 33, 44, 44, 66, 33, 45, 48, 49, 77 not there because okay, 54, 45, 65, 64, 65. Here not entered. 44, 55. Okay, I want to align this all here 55. I want to align this center alignment. First select which one want to align center. Select this one, and the students not the answer is very simple. If you know how to enter and edit data, you can write your own words. Okay, but before entering data, after entering data, you can write a simple diagrams. I entered data. If you want to, data entered is successfully completed. Okay, I want to, it is in table form. Select that one, and here it is table, all borders. Okay, okay, for this purpose no borders. So, no border. Select this one, all border. Okay, it is in enter data. enter data is completed. If you want to edit this data, first select which data want to edit. For example, I want to edit data, this E7. On that, select that, and you can rewrite the data. For example, if you want to change this marks 6 5, okay, this is nothing but editing data. This is nothing but editing data. Okay, for example, this student is not there in our college. Okay, for example, you want to insert another row. Okay, here I want to insert another column here, total marks. Okay, total marks. Okay, total marks. This is another column I was added. It is nothing but editing data. Okay, editing data, and it is not in table form. Look here, up to here table is there, but here not a table. Select that one and click here all borders. It is in font tag. Okay, this is nothing but entering and editing data. Editing means if you want to change any predefined data, that is nothing but editing data. Editing nothing but changing data. Changing data means here look here 22 failed. So that's I want to 37 marks. I am giving 37. This is nothing but editing data. Okay, students have to know how to enter and edit data into worksheet. It will be over. If you want to save this worksheet, then go to office button, then click on save option. Click on save option. Okay, it will open a new window, pop-up window like this containing some options. Here look here, file name and save type as Excel workbook. So for this I'm giving student 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 marks and click on save button. Okay, the document will be saved with B student marks. Here I gave B also. Okay, no problem. B student marks. Okay, this first question is over. And second question for look here, how to enter and edit formula on worksheet. If you want to enter and edit formula on a worksheet, uh, you must and should have some data. You must and should have some data, that is a numerical data. We can apply formulas to numerical data. Mostly we can apply formulas numerical data. Sometimes we can apply formulas for textual data also. That is nothing but string functions. Okay, you already know about if you know C language, that C language have some functions. Same like that in our Excel also some predefined functions. But here no user defined functions. Here predefined functions. That functions will be given manually. That is nothing but a formula. Here I am calculating total marks. Here total marks not here. So here I am cut here and paste. Okay, not here total marks. I was calculating total marks. Look here. Here I want to calculate total marks for 101 roll number student on J3. It is the J3. Look here. Here address bar J3. So here you can type formula. Every formula starting with equal. Every formula starting with equal. Look here, equal. Where to where we want to add 55, 66, 57, 58, 71. Okay, Telugu, English, Maths, and Physics and Computer marks. So these five subjects want to add in this J3 column. Okay, J3 column. So here, do not enter digits. We can simply enter the cell addresses. Okay, 55 marks. Okay, 101 Akhil. That Akhil Telugu marks, where it is located? It is located on E3 cell. Look here, E3 cell. E. This is E column and 3 row. Okay, so E3 plus and where another one F3 and plus F next G3 plus H3 plus and I3. Look here, we are adding E3 value, F3 value, G3 value, H3 value, I3 value. So completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subjects over. So then after I click enter. Look here, the total marks automatically added. The total marks automatically added on the J3 column. If you click on J3 cell, okay, on the formula toolbar, okay, look here in on the formula bar displaying the formula, not in value. Okay, control Z. Okay, formula. But if you select the cell, any cell, look here, I selected M4, sorry, D4. But on the formula bar display MPCS, it is textual data. But on the J4, J3 cell, not a uh, normal data. It is a formula related data. So here I entered formula. After entering formula on the cell, displaying the result, but the formula will be displayed on the formula bar. If you want to edit the formula, just you can select the uh, data. Okay, then after you can change the formula. Look here, if I want to uh, add Ashok computer marks to this Akhil. So Ashok computer marks, where is it is located? I4. Here I gave I3. So I want to change I3 to I4. Then after I entered. How many marks? Look here. I I added the marks E3 marks, E4 marks, sorry, E3 marks, F3 marks, G3 and H3. Here not I3, I4 marks added. Look here on the formula bar. This is nothing but editing formula. So I want to again changing formula I3. And the next one, look here students, here I entered raw formula. Raw formula means manually, but if you want to add these mocks, where Ashok mocks, if you want to add calculate Ashok mocks, you can in this cell where J4, okay, equal to, I'm not adding marks manually. Using formula, I want to add marks. So here on formula is the sum. Okay, sum of, where you want to add the marks. So E4, where is 45 mark, 40 E5. Okay, sorry, E4. 45 is located on E4. So that's why look here, this mark. Okay, E4 already came. Give here column, not semicolon, column up to E4 to I4. E4 to I4 and close that bracket, give enter. Look automatically. Look here. Now if you select, now you selected the 293. If you select the 293, the formula bar, what will appears? What will shows? Uh, formula of that selected cell. Formula of that selected cell. Control Z equal enter. Okay, formula of that selected. First J4. Okay, sorry, J3. On the cell J3, we entered manual formula, and J4 we can enter the predefined formula. Both are using for adding numbers. Both are using for adding numbers. If you want to, you do not want to give formula for every cell. Okay, just you can select that any one of the cell, and downside, look here, if you move this, I'm zooming. Okay, so I selected this one, and if you move the mouse pointer to here, big plus screen appears small plus screen. Then after click on that and drag to down. Look here, automatically. This is nothing but autofill option. Autofill option means, look here, if you selected every cell, automatically that formula will be transformed to another one. Okay, students. If you want to write this answer, look here how to enter and edit formula on Excel worksheet. If you want to write this right answer for this question, you must and should enter, draw the uh, draw the table before calculating the marks, total marks, after calculating the total marks. Before calculating the marks, you can entering the data. You can enter the data. Then after, you can enter the formula. Enter the formula on cells. It can be write manually on your question paper for each cell. Okay, what will done on the worksheet, that will be write down theoretically. Okay, students. Thank you.